Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. Let us know preparative steps, preparation for meditation. What are the steps? What are the things to be followed for meditation? Yes, for meditation, we must prepare many things. Simply straight away, we should not start meditation. There are many things, physical, mental things we have to adjust. There are many things to adjust. Without adjusting, understanding, if you start meditation, you cannot do perfect meditation. Sometime you have to drop it. You will drop. So here, first step is calming the mind. To calm your mind is first step. To calm your mind, very important. Mind means thoughts. You must calm the thoughts. Thoughts must go. All thoughts must become silent. No mind status. So that we have to care. First step. Second step is regularity and dedication. If you fix regular time, should not miss, should not break. Regularly you have to do, and dedication you must feel. You must dedicate to that sadhana kriya. If fixed timing is not there, you are simply keeping open. So your mind will tell, not today, not now, afterwards, evening, morning, tomorrow, no, day after tomorrow. Like that, our mind will make you to jump, skip. And dedication, I must do it. I should not miss. It is my life. That way, we have to think, we have to take it. Suitable place of practice. Suitable place. We must have a right place. There will be great impact of place on your meditation, sadhana, any sadhana. Right place you have to follow, fix. So because effect of the place, environment surrounding in that place, so we must fix like that. Otherwise, many unexpected disturbances will rise. Yes, it must be right place where you can be comfortably, peacefully, with complete concentration, without any disturbances. You can do. You must fix that place. And time, this is also most important. Time, you must fix right time for meditation. Comfortable time, when you can do, you fix. Early morning is the best time. Early morning Brahmi Muhurt is best time for meditation. Any sadhana, for any noble work, early morning is the best time. Yes. You must follow, you must fix one time. Morning and night. You must have right time you fix. And overcoming sleepiness, this drowsiness, tiredness, you must overcome that. You must set your body and mind such a way with proper understanding, proper food, proper exercise. You must overcome sleepiness. Yes. So some people cannot wake up early morning. No, they cannot get up early morning. So we must understand, and we must try to get up early morning. Otherwise, very difficult. Daytime you cannot do so powerfully. Early morning, semi-consciousness, very deep concentration and awareness will be there. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha Om. So you overcome that sleepy status, you must clean it, you must make it with the right thought and understanding and sankalpa. Yes. Relaxation. For meditation, biggest thing is obstacle is our physical tensions, mental tensions. Many physical, mental tensions will be there. We must overcome those tensions. That means we must understand them and try to remove them with understanding. Then you will be in relaxing status mode. When you are relaxed, then only your meditation will give right result. When you are relaxing status, then only you can give right result. So you must feel relaxed. You must create relaxation. Yes, you must create relaxation. These are the steps we have to follow to do deep meditation. So this way we have to relax each completely for 20 seconds. Whatever the things disturbing you, not allowing you to live in relaxation, you deal each thing. 20 minutes, 20 seconds each, work on that. What is that? Where from it is? Just you think it and understand. You will start getting relaxation. So every part of body you have to see. Legs, you keep there and relax. Each part. Knees, thighs, every part, hands, fingers, shoulders, every part of your body, 20 seconds on each part, you concentrate and you keep your focus there and relax. Finally, you concentrate on a total body and make it relaxed. Sometimes if you need, you can lay down on Savasana. Yes. You lay down on Savasana and make it relaxed, then you start meditation in your own way. That is best thing. So these are the things we have to follow for before preparations. All these things were applied and got the comfortability, and everything is comfortable. You can do best meditation, deeply you can go and you will get very soon you will get good results. Otherwise, this mind will come again and again, so wrong time, wrong place, no relaxation, mental pressure, physical strain, all these things will affect you, disturb you. Most important, preparation. Before going to do meditation, you must prepare physically, mentally and environmentally, surrounding also. You must understand, when you enter in one room for meditation, you see what is this room, how many doors are there. So any disturbances through these doors, you close the doors if required. No disturbance from anybody, anything, you keep open those doors. Fan, is it more airy, or you have to adjust that fan also. If you don't, better not to use fan. In meditative place, better to not to use fan. You be natural. Maybe sweating, you prepare for that. This way you have to prepare. You must understand. Otherwise, after some few minutes, your mind will say, that door opened or closed? Anybody may come. Like that, thoughts, mind will start disturbing you and diverting you. Yes. Take care. For everything, preparation. For every sadhana, preparation. Physical preparation, mental preparation are highly required. Okay. Thank you. I love you. All the best.